my hair thick. My hair is thinning, my hair is not healthy. Then you need to watch this video till the end. Good morning to you, good afternoon, good evening. Hello friends, welcome to the other side of a modest. If you are a new subscriber, welcome back to the family, and for the returning subscribers, thank you so much for the support. Here we talk about lifestyle, haircut, and a little bit of motivation. My name is Jacinta, and as you can see the title, we're talking about how to make your hair thick. And before further ado, I just want to welcome you to 2024. It is a year where God is going to remember. We are working with the book of Psalms chapter 1, 9 to 25. Whatever you're trusting God for this year, the God is going to remember you. Whatever you want God to do for you this year, just believe and trust in Him. The God who remembered Hannah. This was exactly 1 week old, and I'm just amazed with the hairstylist because I have not seen my edges coming up, and that means that I did exactly what I was supposed to do. So today we are going to look at how you can thicken your hair. Number one, I am beginning with the points that will help you. We're going to talk about the main 4 points that can help you thicken your hair. With that, I'm going to handle so much in between. So I'm just hoping that you are going to watch this video till the end. Don't forget to put your bell notifications on, and please subscribe, share, like, comment, and let's just get into conversation. Let this year help this channel blow up. We are road to 4,000 watch hours. Imagine. So let's get there. Number 1 point is this: the use of oil. Which oil are you going to use to make your hair thicker? 2024, we want our hair to be super thick, and I'm encouraging you to check your cabinet that you put in your hair care products. Don't forget to put in castor and olive oil. Castor and olive oil, castor, olive oil, and coconut oil. Those 3 oils are very essential and crucial for your hair care journey. We all know that castor oil contains omega-6 and 9 fatty acids that helps you thicken your hair and strengthens your hair strands and follicles. Again, we've got coconut oil. Coconut oil adds shine, and it protects your hair from unnecessary breaking. With olive oil, it will help you with the lice and the dandruff. So it's the oil for you that you need to check. Point number 2 is the inversion method. Use of the inversion method. We are talking about you flipping your head upside down and start massaging your scalp with oil for your choice, and this increases blood flow, hence accelerating hair growth. The inversion method here, and then you're gonna massage your hair. The 3rd point that we are going to use today is biotin supplements. Biotin supplements will help you thicken your hair. Things like fish, eating liver, eating eggs, eating cheese and spinach, and basically eating also iron supplement components are going to help you thicken your hair. Hair care journey is just not easy. It's just for you to take time for your hair, invest in your hair, and be there for your hair. Give yourself grace. If you're under medication or sick, just give it grace and do that. Don't disturb your hair. Just let your hair be natural. Another thing is having a healthy diet is super critical. You can have a healthy diet as a woman. Eat foods, plenty of fruits. Do things well. Exercise is very crucial. It is going to help you not only to live long, but again to have good skin and good healthy hair. You need to drink water. Hydrate, my dear. Hydrate. Just drink water and you'll see changes in your hair. Another thing is knowing that vitamin B7 is found in the foods with biotin. With the following basic practices you are going to take in your hair. Have oil massages. Always massage your hair with oil. We all know that moisturizing is very, very essential and critical to any naturalist. So moisturize your hair and know the type of oil that you are going to do. There is no compromise in this. You need to moisturize your hair, sis. At least, I've said at least 3 times in a week. Even if you are in these corners like mine, I am moisturizing my hair. The next tip is your washing routine. Pay attention to your wash routine. What are you using? Which shampoos are you using? Which components are inside those shampoos or the ingredients? We talked about a video on that one. I think I'll have to link it down there below so you can see chemicals to avoid in the products that you are buying on market. The next tip is reach to chemical free products. Like I said in the previous post and the previous point, chemical free products like paraben, like sulfates, these ones are going to help you avoid too much damages on your hair strands. Another one air drying your hair. Avoid heat, minimize heat in your hair, and you'll see your hair thicken like that one of your favorite naturalista. I think my hair is thick at medium level. Personally, I am for low porosity, and the thickness of my hair has improved since then I started a healthy natural hair care journey, because I'm using recipes like aloe vera, like guava leaves, like onion juice, like rice water. I think this year we're going to read much into that, and I hope you guys are going to get motivated. So please give me thumbs up and give me a sweet comment. What do you want me to do this year? Which kind of topics do you want me to tackle more on hair care or lifestyle or motivation? And kindly subscribe to my other YouTube channel at Ladies of Modesty. If you are a Christian lady, you can join our ministry. Check the link in the description box. And thank you so much for watching up to this point. I hope this video has been a blessing to you, and don't forget to pull your bell notifications on so you get notified in case I post another video. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram at sheisjacinta, and you can email me any notifications. You can DM me on online platforms, and that is it, guys. So remember to be the best version of you every